This is Edge Computing and the Future of the Cloud. We're Silicon Networks. You could reach us at siliconnetworks.info. We're at 775-945-9825. We're located in Reno, Nevada. We do edge solution development and training. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence can be defined as the attempt to make machines achieve human-like capabilities such as seeing, hearing, and thinking. Throughout this workshop, you will see quotes and references, and the references are always in the title just above Silicon Networks. You give an example of AI. Does Alexia achieve human-like capabilities such as seeing, hearing, and thinking? What is edge computing? Edge computing must be defined as the practice of processing and storing data either where it's created or close to where it's generated, or the edge, whether that's a smartphone, internet-connected machine in a factory, or a car. The goal is to reduce latency or the time it takes for an application to run on a command to execute. While that sometimes involves accumulating in the cloud, it also entails building downsized data centers closer to where users or devices are. Anything that generates a massive amount of data and needs that data to be processed as close to real time as possible can be considered as a use case for edge computing. Think self-driving cars, augmented reality apps, and wearable devices. Future of the edge. For the edge to become as ubiquitous as the cloud in the tech industry, myriad of technical challenges will need to be tackled. These include the development of compact devices with outsized processing power, the creation of software that enables companies to remotely monitor and update a limited number of edge devices from across the world, and new security technology and protocols to keep everything safe. Find your edge. Edge computing with 5G creates tremendous opportunities in every industry. It brings computation and data storage closer to where data is generated, enabling better data control, reduced cost, faster insights and actions, and continuous operation. In fact, by 2025, 75% enterprise data will be processed at the edge, compared with only 10% today. IBM provides an autonomous management offering that addresses that scale, variability, and rate of change in edge environments. IBM also offers solutions to help communication companies modernize their networks and deliver new services at the edge. 5G solutions are available today from Silicon Networks in Reno. We ship everywhere in the USA. Challenges ahead. When it comes to edge computing, it's about fast response times to more timely services, and we see three main challenges that are key to overcome. First, the ability to scale. Edge deployments can range from hundreds to thousands of nodes and clusters that need to be managed in locations where there may be minimal or no IT staff at all. There has to be a centralized way to deploy and manage them. Otherwise, it can be complicated and costly for IT teams. Create connected experiences. Pull and analyze data from distributed devices and sensors to improve individual experiences, enhance driver safety, and optimize transport. Second challenge. The second challenge is the edge deployments can vary greatly, which can make it hard for a single vendor to build an entire edge stack. Organizations need to ensure interoperability within a multi-vendor hardware and software environment. Lastly, we're thinking about consistency. It's almost impossible to manage all these deployments if they don't share a secure control plane via automation, management, and orchestration. This is where the hybrid cloud is key because you want to manage your entire infrastructure the same way and create an environment where you can consistently develop an application once and deploy it everywhere. Improve supply chain and asset management, orchestrate management from end to end using intelligent video, analytics, and AI to monitor stock, understand consumers, and automate replenishment. 5G environment. 5G is one of the drivers for edge computing as it allows for increased numbers of data sources or processing points that can be interconnected, implying an exponential increase in the volume of data to be processed. This can quickly become too much for existing sites to cloud connections and require data processing much closer to the source. 5G also allows for much lower latencies, a key component to some new applications, another factor in making processing available power closer to where it's consumed or generated. We believe that applications at the edge will be primarily containerized, as this allows for denser and nimbler deployments. And that's why we see Kubernetes play a key role along with GitOps. We believe GitOps will provide a way to develop and operate thousands and potentially millions of applications and infrastructure clusters at the edge and create a standard operating model for managing Kubernetes clusters that don't require a linear increase of people to manage the new environments. Modernize distributed IT, control remote infrastructure with microcloud computing that performs real-time diagnostics and over-the-air updates, reducing cost and distribution. GitOps. GitOps is a paradigm or a set of practices that empowers developers to perform tasks which typically fall under the purview of IT operations. GitOps requires us to describe and observe systems with declarative specifications that eventually form the basis of continuous everything. As a refresher, continuous everything includes, but not limited to, continuous integration, testing, delivery, deployment, analytics, governance, and many more to come. GitOps combines Git with Kubernetes, convergent properties, and serves as an operating model for developing and delivering Kubernetes-based infrastructure and applications. GitOps empowers developers to take on operations in a way that says, you own it, you ship it, and graduates from being a slogan everyone chants at tech conferences to a reality that can be executed day in and day out. Fifth generations. Even if 5G networks, short for fifth generation wireless broadband technology, are 10 or more times faster than current 4G wireless network, sending data across great distances creates what's known as in industry parlance as latency, delays in new data communications over a network. That's a problem as 5G positions a way to enable real-time mission critical applications such as autonomous vehicles, smart grids, industrial automations, remote surgeries, and the management of drones. Robust edge computing. Without more robust edge computing, the fear is that the promise for this potentially transformative age of high-speed wireless networks will go unrealized. And so the industry investing billions to redesign the internet's cloud-based architecture, which relies on centralized data centers to handle the coming tsunami of data. Zettabyte generation. We're generating too much data, says Ashley Ketty, Intel's Vice President of Next Generation and Standards. The amount of data generated annually is projected to increase from 40 zettabytes in 2020 to 175 zettabytes in 2022, according to a report by analyst firm IDC. To put that in perspective, 1 zettabyte is a trillion gigabytes, making 175 zettabytes the equivalent of about 5.4 billion years of YouTube videos. Data production is soaring due to the growing connectivity of Internet of Things devices, with a number about 26 billion now and expected to grow to 75 billion by 2025. Connected devices include such things as drones, automobiles, robotics, wearables, and smart home gadgets. Each sensor-equipped endpoint churns out more and more data that is rendered more useful thanks to the speed of 4G networks and the development of machine learning and artificial intelligence to more effectively process it. With the arrival of 5G, which also can handle a far greater density of simultaneous connection than 4G, the data production and demands will expand exponentially. Data production, according to Intel. If you keep putting everything back to the cloud, nothing would ever work, says Asha Kennedy, Intel's Vice President, Next Generation Standards. You don't have enough time for all to go all the way to the core. Fear of bottlenecks has motivated the tech industry to unleash massive infrastructure campaign running in parallel to the 5G rollout to ensure that a lot of computing will get closer to where it is being used. IDC reports, according to market research firm IDC, the edge computing market, which barely existed a couple of years ago, will be worth $34 billion by 2023. This includes the hardware, software, and components needed to create a vast number of processing systems that complement the larger data centers located far away. These edge computing systems must be able to filter out data, deciding what to actually locally and what to send up to the cloud, and analyze information at milliseconds to deliver the promise of true real-time automation. IBM Edge Computing Solutions were Silicon Networks. Silicon Networks Group is an IBM business department, IoT, AI, expert system, cybersecurity. Call for a free evaluation of IBM tools available.